Now, continuing with the topic of conscious breathing, we've talked about even breath. The second technique that I want to teach you is step 2 of even breath, and it's even more powerful than just breathing in and out for the same duration. Now we bring in the next level, which is holding the breath at the end of inhale with the lungs full, and you keep count. So if you inhaled for 5, you then hold your breath, and as you hold your breath, don't tense the body, relax the belly, relax the jaw, relax the eyes, the whole body's relaxed while you hold that breath in, and you're counting to 5 again. Then you exhale through the nose, the belly moves back to the spine, and at the end of exhalation, when the lungs are empty, you hold your breath again for the same count of 5. So this is often referred to as square breath. Inhale for 5, hold the breath for 5 with the lungs full, exhale for 5, then hold the breath with the lungs empty for 5. Square, because all 4 sides of the square are equal in length. All 4 aspects of your breath are equal in length. And this will help you calm down even more. When we hold the breath, this is important to remember, the nitric oxide in your body increases. And that's a vasodilator, which means it opens the blood vessels, which allows more blood to flow into that erection. So understanding that breath is key to overcoming your ED, you now know that you need to breathe consciously every day. And if you're going into a situation where you're going to be physically, or I should say sexually active, either with yourself or with a partner, breathing consciously for a few minutes before and especially during helps you to stay relaxed. This is one of the things that can help men overcome performance anxiety. So be aware, come back to your breath, calm yourself down, activate that parasympathetic nervous system. It'll be much easier to get and maintain that erection.